Have you ever wondered why, in a state as massive as California, a relatively small regional bank has managed to build such a huge reputation? I'm talking about Poppy Bank, and the secret to their popularity isn't what you might expect. In a world dominated by massive financial institutions, Poppy Bank stands out by doing something surprisingly simple. They focus on their community. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, they've doubled down on being a top-tier partner for California's businesses and residents. Their reputation is built on a foundation of personalized service and a deep understanding of the local market. This isn't just about small talk. It's about being responsive, agile, and truly caring about their clients' financial success. For businesses, this means quick loan processing and a streamlined, hassle-free experience that larger banks often can't match. It's a bank that gets the local economy and helps businesses thrive. For personal banking, they offer competitive rates, especially on their high-yield savings accounts, which have garnered them national attention. They have a solid track record of financial strength, earning top ratings from independent firms like Bauer Financial, which reassures customers that their money is safe. Beyond the numbers, Poppy Bank has built trust through community engagement, supporting local organizations and earning a reputation as a great place to work. This holistic approach creates a positive feedback loop. Happy employees lead to great service, which leads to loyal customers and ultimately a strong, popular bank. So while they may not have a branch on every corner, their strategic focus and commitment to their clients and communities is why they become a standout name in California banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.